Hi Food Heroes, and welcome to another OSU nutrition lesson. Watch and learn with Julius as he discovers a new food. I wonder what that food will be. Come on, let's find out. Today's lesson is all about parsnips. In this video, you will learn what makes Oregon so great for growing parsnips, why they are good for us, and discover something new. At the end, I will also share a Food Hero recipe you can try making at home. So let's get started. In Oregon, parsnips are planted in the spring. This is the perfect time because the cool soils help the parsnip seeds to germinate. While it can take parsnips up to 6 months to mature, it is definitely worth the wait. As fall turns into winter, the parsnips actually become sweeter. Parsnips are a cold weather root vegetable, and a little bit of frosty air will convert the natural carbohydrates found in parsnips into sugar. Pretty cool. Parsnips belong in the vegetable group and are considered a root vegetable. Does anyone know what this means? Yes, Julius? That's right! We call these root vegetables because they grow underground from the root part of the plant. Some of the main nutrients our bodies get when we eat parsnips are folate. Folate is one of the B vitamins found naturally in foods. Another name for folate is vitamin B9. It is also important for healthy pregnancies. We also get potassium. Potassium helps to keep our hearts beating. Parsnips also contain vitamin C. Vitamin C helps us to feel our best by keeping our immune system strong. And then there's fiber. Fiber does a lot of good things for our bodies, like aiding our digestion and keeping us feeling fuller longer. Did you know the easiest way to increase fiber in your diet is to choose whole grains and eat more fruits and vegetables? Make sure you drink plenty of water with these foods. This will help to keep everything in your intestines moving along. Does a parsnip remind you of another vegetable? Julius thinks they look just like a white carrot. I think so too. Actually, the parsnip and carrot are related to each other, making these two the perfect pair for today's recipe. That recipe is Food Heroes roasted parsnips and carrots. I love this recipe because the roasting brings out the natural sweetness of these two root vegetables. Make sure you ask an adult for help and wash your hands before you begin. You will want to scrub both the parsnips and carrots under running water. Peeling the vegetables is optional. Cut the vegetables into sticks. They will look kinda like veggie fries. Try to make them all about the same size. This will help the vegetables roast evenly. Roast for about 30 minutes, stirring them halfway through, or until they are tender and golden with some browning. For the roasted parsnips and carrots recipe, be sure to check out foodhero.org. There you can also find activities like coloring sheets and discover more about parsnips. Make sure to check out the video and watch Kids from Oregon learn more about these two great root vegetables. Great job today, Food Heroes! You earned your parsnip stamp. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.